So, recently may, pinapanood akong YouTuber, ang pangalan niya is Salem Techspert. Um, Isa sa mga sinabi niya dun is like, he was very passionate about like computer repairs nung mga una, 'di ba? Parang sobrang passionate niya nung una na sinasabi niya na, "Ay, gusto kong gawin 'tong trabaho." 'Di ba? Gusto niyang iahon yung sarili niya through that work kasi ay interested siya sa pagfi-fix ng mga computers, mga gadgets, mga phones, and all that. Yun yung passionate side niya na sinasabi niya. And then, eventually, as years goes on, parang ang nangyari is, ayun, na-burnout siya. So, parang, in some way, yung passion niya na yun is hindi siya sobrang nagpe-pay off. Parang it took a toll on him and parang naging burden na siya. Parang nasira na yung buhay niya by that time or by those as years go by and ayun pa rin yung trabaho niya. Na bakit kasi nasabi sa inyo to? Recently, naisip ko din parang there's something that I'm very passionate about, which is anything related sa production. Yung camera, yung editing, yung photography, anything related basically sa camera, di ba? Naiisip ko yun, parang recently medyo nababurnout ako kasi almost every week may iba akong ine-edit. Almost every week may iba akong sinushoot, almost every week may iba akong nare-record, etc. Parang it makes me question na will I will I come to that point na yung passion ko for filmmaking, for art creation basically, dadating ba siya sa point na magiging work ko siya, yes, pero will it ever be a burden? Ayun nga, parang why does passion always turn into burden? Medyo natatakot lang ako na with that na yung with my passion sa camera and with my passion sa anything related sa art, will that passion sa sarili ko magkakaroon ba ng time na it becomes a burden? It becomes something na yung sacrifice ko is worth more than kung anong ginagawa ko dun sa art na yun. I think it's interesting to think about kasi there's always going to be something na, oh, we're so passionate about it and then we go way into it. Siguro, nagiging motivation na natin na, oh, para to sa pera, para to mabuhay ako. Pero it's not about the art anymore. It's more on the outcome of the art. Kung may sense yun. Parang yung passion mo with that art, nagiging about na siya sa outcome, hindi na about siya sa process, hindi na about siya sa enjoyment, sa evolution nung ginagawa mong art on how it goes from one box to a million little boxes. Iniisip ko na hindi lang siya connected sa art, 'di ba? There's always going to be something na passionate tayo. And ayun nga, recently I've been getting into like repair kasi nire-repair ko yung dati kong laptop since may sentimental value siya for me. Will I ever get burnt out of my passions to the point na ayaw ko na siyang gawin? Na to the point na it takes a toll on me mentally na sinasacrifice ko na yung ibang bagay para dun sa passion ko na yun. Is it ever going to be worth it again? Is it ever going to be the same way as I felt when I genuinely saw myself progressing dun sa art ko na yun? I think merong makaka-relate pa rin even if you're not that into art. Siguro makaka-relate ka pa rin dun. Maybe in small things. Siguro sa pagbabasa ng libro. Mas nagbabasa ka ng libro dati and then somehow na-burnout ka dun dahil naging about na siya sa pagbabasa ng libro for school. Or iniisip ko yung like as something as simple as like watching a movie or watching a series or playing your instrument or like writing something, anything na mako-consider mo as passionate ka. Parang ang hirap, 'di ba? Ang hirap na i-balance yung part ng passion and burden. Parang it's a thin gray line na will I ever reach that point of like balancing. It's a balancing act. Gusto ko passionate pa ba ako sa ginagawa ko or it's becoming a burden in my life. It's becoming something na sobrang dami kong sinasacrifice with it. It's hard to think about kasi wala akong sagot doon. 'Di ba? Wala akong sagot. Yun yung truth doon. Wala akong sagot sa kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin and that sucks kasi I guess parang natural part of life na lang siya eh. 'Di ba? Parang it becomes something na it's natural to your life na maybe dahil nagiging work nga siya. Maybe dahil yun nga nagiging trabaho siya eh. May gusto mong makamit yung isang outcome instead of just doing something for the sake of creation. 'Di ba? For the sake of creation, nawawala yung part na yun eh. 'Di ba? I don't know. I don't know kung may sense ba yung mga pinagsasabi ko. I don't know kung may nanonood pa ba sa part na to. And I don't know kung marireach ba nito yung gusto kong audience. Pero, ayun eh. Is it worth sacrificing your love for something just for it to be a normal part of your life? It's just something that you have to do instead of something that you genuinely want to do.